2nd January 2026 at Sanctuary of Stillness, Newbury, Australia. Welcome all present to Dhamma. So, to practice meditation, you need three together. Okay, right effort, mindfulness, and awareness. Okay, right effort, letting go everything. Let go everything in your office, at home. Let go. Okay, don't worry anything. Okay, and right effort is actually it is let go all unwholesome bad feeling. Let go. And when you let go, then feel good, feel relaxed, feel good, develop wholesome feeling. Okay, so now just develop meditation from your heart first. Can you relax? Feel relaxed? Open your eye first. Today we just learn to understand how we do meditation from heart. Not close your eye for today. To do meditation from your heart, if your heart relax and feeling good, you can hear me clearly. Okay? If your heart not feel good, whatever I talk, you cannot understand my talk. Okay? Knowing clearly, seeing clearly, understanding clearly. So now just develop from your heart with feeling relaxed, feeling good, feeling smile. Okay? Then you're not lost. With eye seeing your heart at the present moment, knowing you are seeing. Your ear listening, if your heart feel good, you got hearing, connect. Your ear listen to my talk, you feel good, you hear from your heart. Okay? Can you connect now? You feel good first, then you got connection. Right concentration is from your heart. Okay? If you are in a hurry, then it's not from your heart and make you trouble. Can you just knowing clearly from your heart, hearing, seeing, and sensation of body, relaxation of body? Can you know directly from your heart without thought? Okay? This is right effort. If you feel good, you can know more clearly not only your body, not only your hearing, not only your seeing, you can also know your feeling. Okay? You can know more and more. Whatever you still clinging or attached, then you can know clearly it's gone. Okay? It's gone. Okay? So right effort in the practice very important. Right effort, then you got mindfulness and awareness. Good mindfulness and awareness if you have right effort from heart. Okay? This is your home. Okay? Not only work or focus from your eye, from your ear. This is your office. This is your home. Okay? So just now, you look at me, listen to my talk, feel good. You got connected. Understanding clearly, knowing clearly, knowing in your heart. and then you get calmness. You lost your calmness because your heart go to your office with thought. This is office for thinking, okay? We work from home. This is home, okay? Now we work from home, not work from office. This is office. Can you just relax, feel good? Then even the weather around you, you can know clearly, okay? Feel good, even sensation of body you can know clearly. Open your eye first, because today you must start from home. Usually you make wrong concentration. You start from office, okay? Start from home. This is clear awareness, okay? This is concentration from clear awareness, not concentration from thought, okay? Concentration with relax, more relax, it's more space, okay? More space, you know, it come together with calmness, okay? And you get calmness, then you got knowing what you hear, knowing clearly, knowing, seeing clearly, hearing clearly, knowing all sensation clearly. Then when you got calmness or spacious more, and you got knowing clearly, you got consciousness wake up. Okay. We are sick. We got sick element. People don't know. They only sitting with 4 elements. You sitting with 4 elements. Then you sit for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or half an hour, you got pain. In meditation, actually we go to another plane inside. Another plane inside is space element and consciousness element, okay? You must learn where we go into meditation, okay? Space element and conscious element by feeling good. You got more space or not? You feel special or not? More relaxed, more space, and more space. What you feel? More space, you know? All 4 elements functioning in space. All the bodily movement functioning in space. Breathing in, breathing out. If you knowing in space, because all 4 elements functioning in space. If you know in calmness or space, you can know breathing clearly every moment, and in space you can know all sensation arising, disappearing together. Okay? So now this is thought. This is heart. But now you got trouble. You got trouble. You lost in thought, and you got anger, desire. Then it's disrupted. Okay? You feel very disturbed. You cannot breathing well because you lost calmness, or you lost space and consciousness element. Okay? And why I tell you open eye first? Okay? Main space is on your body, relax. In your eye socket, got space. Okay? If you open your eye, then you get more relaxed together, you get space. Space in your eye, space on the whole body relax. It connects to space in your subconscious mind. Okay? This is direct. Okay? You do meditation, you don't know where you go. Today you must know where you go. We go to another plane inside. Another plane inside is space element the fifth element, and conscious element is the sixth element. Okay, so now just relax and open eye, seeing widely, like you see the nature. When you see widely, you got more space. Okay, and then you sit, relax, get more space. Okay, more space, more calmness. Okay, you do concentration, but you don't know where you go. Today you do concentration on me, on my talk. Okay, listen clearly, seeing clearly, and relax. Then you get more consciousness in space. Wake up. Okay, now you get into meditation in 10 seconds by the knowledge where we are in meditative state. So we call meditative state. And then space more and more we call absorption. Can you develop together concentration and absorption? Concentration on my talk, but absorption into your relaxation. It get more space that it become absorbed. Okay, more feeling good, more feeling joy on my talk. No joy on my talk, no space. Can you just enjoy my talk, laughing a bit? Space, wake up. Okay, not serious. You are very serious in meditation, only concentration, but you don't know there are three levels: concentration and access consciousness and absorption. There are three levels. You got stuck in the first level, concentration. The second level is access consciousness. Why we call access consciousness? Because when you go into space, it's like the door open. The access open, the door open to the inner. The inner is consciousness. Now, when we know how to go inside, just go into relaxation. Then it get more space. It's like the door open into another plane inside. Another plane inside is consciousness. Okay? So you do concentration only. Look at your job. This is got thought. But if you look at your job and relax, okay? Then you got connect together. Concentration on your job, relax. Then you got access the door open. And then relax and smile. Smile or right effort. Let go. More let go, the door more open. Okay? More let go, it become more absorption. So today you must learn what is meditation. Meditation got three levels. First level, concentration. People don't know. They practice concentration for 1 year, 2 years, and then next year practice access consciousness. And then 1 year, 2 years, then practice absorption. Actually, it connect together. It's a process. Process the way going inside. Okay? Okay, now just I don't have to teach you how to focus my talk because you focus on Facebook, WhatsApp. You got very good concentration, but you are very poor awareness of space, very poor awareness of consciousness. Okay, so that's why I just start with right effort. Relax and let things go first. You can focus on your job, but relax yourself. Then you come back. Okay, come back. The door open, and the door open, you can feel more consciousness wake up inside. So now If you practice meditation in daily life, you open eye. So that's why today I start from opening eye first. If you can practice by opening eye, then you can practice by closing eye as well. Okay. But if you practice by closing eye, you only do concentration. Okay. Then after you open eye, you don't know how to get into calmness. Okay. That's why opening eye and relax today. We not go deep, but we get more knowledge first. Okay. More knowledge. Because before I do the same, put concentration, but after I got my experience, okay, and I got my research in Buddhist study, okay, PhD, then I just found I make a big mistake for more than 10 years. I just divided first concentration until I feel very tense, okay, and not relaxed, and feel very disturbed, okay. But when I found that the next step is access the door. The door go into consciousness. That's why the second level we call access consciousness. Okay. And then the highest meditation go into the jhana state. We go back. We absorb. We go inside. Absorb. Just test how can you go absorb. Absorb with relax of the whole body, and absorb by relax your heart. Today, you don't know how to get absorbed into your mind, the calmness inside. Okay, but we learn step by step. Just today, can you just feeling relax, because more feeling relax your whole body, feeling relax your heart, more feeling, more calmness. Okay, more feeling, more awareness, more feeling, more spacious, more feeling, more consciousness. Okay. So can you just learn to know what is calmness? Calmness is a kind of feeling. Okay, feeling calm. Okay, calmness is not thought. Okay, calmness is a kind of feeling. And relax. How to get into calmness? Calmness is a kind of feeling. So we go into calmness by feeling ourselves. Feeling what? Feeling relaxed. Okay? Feeling relaxed. Then when you feeling relaxed, the door open. Okay? That's why we learn for the first day today relaxation meditation first. That's why now we apply in the Western. They more just got relaxation meditation program, okay, to help you more reduce stress. Okay, so then relax first. You cannot go into absorption without relaxation. Okay, relaxation how? Not thought, feeling. Okay, calmness is feeling. Okay, so then when you feel yourself relax, feel your body, feel your breathing, feel your smile, that means you get into calmness. Okay, because when you feel yourself more and more, then thought gone away. Okay, less thought, and thought disappear. So instead of try to stop thinking, no, not success. Okay, how to get into calmness? Not try to stop thinking, but more relax. Okay, more relax your body, more relax your heart, more relax your breathing. Then thought disappear. So now we get knowledge. Then what is knowledge? How to get into calmness? First, I tell you about space and consciousness. But now I tell you about feeling and thought. Okay? How to get into calmness? Feeling. How to come back to your heart? Feeling. How to traveling outside? Thought. Okay? Thinking about things outside. Okay? So now meditation is the way how to bring your mind back. Bring your mind back to your body first, then to your heart. How to bring your mind back to your body? First, relax, feeling, then thought disappear. But the problem, you thinking a lot. When you're thinking a lot, you lose your feeling. Okay? So that's why today, practice by heart, not practice by thinking what master telling. Try to think about what I taught. Don't think. Just understanding from heart. I tell you smile. I tell you relax. Don't have to think why smile, why relax. Okay? Don't think. Okay? Okay? Now relax and smile. Okay? Relax and smile. Now, I go into meditation by when I dress myself, I feel touching, feel movement, I feel my dressing. Okay, I get in the calmness all the time. Okay, but when you dress yourself, you think about your office, think about appointment. Now today, feel yourself, even you dress. Can you feel? Okay. Then you get into meditation all day. Okay. Now just learn to know now. Mind got two functions: thought and feeling. When you got a lot of thought, you not feel yourself, because when you got a lot of thought, your mind go out. Your mind lose awareness of yourself. But if you just convert thought to feeling, how to convert thought to feeling? Relax. Come back. Don't think too much. You get calmness already. Okay? Understand? But more relax, not only your body. Relax more on your smiling heart. Then it get absorption. Okay? Absorption into more calmness. That is how to get into calmness. So that's why just develop more feeling your movement, feeling your touching, feeling your body cool, warm. Let's say now, just prove yourself by feel your hand, feel your arm. Can you feel your arm? Touch and feel. Feel. Okay, I allow you to think anything you want to think. Can you think anything? Cannot, because your mind is here. Okay? Can you realize when you feeling, touching, mind working as feeling, mind cannot working as thought. Mind work one at a time. Okay? feeling. Okay, you want to think anything? Just think. Can you think anything else? Cannot. You get into meditation already. Okay? And now if you, this we call body outside. Okay? Now, hug yourself. This is only hand. If sometimes you lost in thought, a lot of thought, maybe difficult, then can you feel the whole body by hug yourself? Keep calm, feeling calm, keep relaxed. No thought already. This is that why in daily life, hug your children. Then your children get calmness more and more. If you not hug your children, okay, then they got problem about emotion. Okay, hug your children more. Every morning, every day, every night. Okay, hug. Then bring meditation to your children by hug them. Okay, more you hug your children, they calm. More you hug, they calm. If you not hug, more naughty. They get naughty. because you not hug your children, you so busy work for money until you forgot your children. Then you got trouble. You have a lot of money. Your children very naughty. You are happy or not? Not happy. So you need to develop emotional wellness for your children by keep feeling themselves. Not, hey, come. No, just hold them, hug them, touch them. They feel your touch, feel your hug. They feel good, okay? They feel calm. They got emotional wellness, okay? Now hug yourself. When you hug yourself, now hug. What you feel? You feel your warm hug? Can you feel warm? Emptiness of thought. Can you feel warm on your hug? Open eye. Don't have to close your eye because I tell you today we learn feeling ourselves. You can open eye and see whatever in front before you forgot awareness of yourself. Now practice hug yourself. You got awareness of yourself or not? Awareness of warm on the body and warm on the body inside. Body got outside, inside. If you can feel warm, the Buddha used the word mindfulness of body outside, mindfulness of body inside. What is body inside? 4 elements. Okay? Body outside is just movement. But can you feel movement, feel your hug, feel your touch, and feel warm? That is body inside from 4 elements. More you feel warm, you got mindfulness of body in the body or body inside or 4 elements. Then you got very good calmness or not? Okay? So that's why just try again. Okay. Can you touch your arm? Can you feel touching? Thought become less and less and less. Can you feel pulsation? This is body inside. Can you feel pulsation? Emptiness of thought. Okay? Because first you feel body outside, touching. You get a kind of calmness from thought. But if you can feel body outside, and it's not only outside, it got body inside. Body inside is the vital side, and that you are alive or not. The doctor will check. You still got vital side or not? Okay. And what is vital side? Warm, cool, and pulsation, and chi and life energy. Can you feel you still got life energy? Can you feel? If you can feel body outside, movement, body inside, or the vital side, okay? You know, vitality, vital side. Then you got fulfillment of mindfulness regarding the body outside and inside. And body outside and inside is your breathing. When you feel, you focus your breathing here. This is body outside. You get a kind of calmness. But breathing inside, you need feeling. People don't know. They forgot their breathing here. In and out. This is good. This is good for beginning. But breathing, if you just feeling together, watch and feel. When you watch breathing here, okay? But when you feel, you can feel the whole breathing. More watch and feel the whole breathing in, long, or even short, doesn't matter. Feeling. Watch and feel breathing in gently. Not force your breathing, just feel, okay? Then you fulfillment of mindfulness of body outside, inside. This is watch, breathing, touching here, feeling here. This is body outside, but breathing also go inside or not? Can you feel body going inside? So that's why you need concentration, watch, but mindfulness, awareness, feel. Okay? So now, can you do concentration on my talk by listen to my talk, look at me, but feel yourself, feel your body, sitting posture, feel your body relax, feel your body movement, and feel your breathing together, and feel more body inside, warm and cool. Can you feel more on body, outside, inside, including your breathing? And together, focus my talk. Watch me, listen to my talk, but feel how you doing, how you breathing, how you relax. So that by concentration, you need mindfulness, awareness, concentration. Not only concentration, okay? Mindfulness, awareness, no, feeling yourself. More feeling yourself, you get more awareness. Okay? That's why you get more awareness, you get absorption. Concentration, you get stillness of mind. But if you want to go more to the inner, you need more consciousness. Consciousness or access consciousness. What is the access between outside and inside? Outside is 4 elements. Inside is your consciousness. And what is the between? Space. So that's why space is the access bring you going into consciousness. Okay? And how space coming up? Relax. Can you relax now? Now. And relax and then sit upright. Can you exercise now? Is more space or not? Is more space, more calmness, more space. Okay? Can you feel body, the whole body relax and more upright? Then you got muscle. Relax. Okay? If you sit meditation, not upright, you lost with thought or for asleep. So now we know when we sit meditation, not upright first, relax first. Relax. Then it upright and relax. Okay? People don't know. They try to upright but not relax. Okay? So now relax the whole body. And relax your mind. and develop more relax. What you get? Space. And space more opening up, you get consciousness. So now we develop consciousness element. Wake up. People don't know. They just do concentration. Concentration in the beginning is good, but how to wake up consciousness, that is the sixth element. You need the door to open by relax, and then relax more, you get space. More space, you feel more consciousness or not. Okay, so we develop feeling in meditation. Okay, start with concentration, but more feeling. Okay, feeling yourself mindfully, feeling yourself consciously. Okay, then you get connect to absorption. Okay, so it's not concentration on your job, on your business. You use your thought. Okay, to learn things outside, we use thought because it really complexity. Oh, how to make a good sale, how to do competition, how to advertise. You use thought. Okay, but how to calm your mind, we not use thought, we just feeling ourselves. Okay, so in the practice of meditation, we still our mind by concentration on one object. Concentration on one object, you stop thinking, you got stillness of mind. But if you sometimes you cannot do concentration all day all night, cannot. Okay, but you can feel all day all night. Okay, so that's why when we do concentration, we develop mindfulness, awareness, concentration. When we cannot do concentration on our breathing, we still can feel ourselves, feel relaxed, feel movement, feel smile, feel breathing all day all night. Okay, can you focus your breathing all day all night? Cannot. Because you have to make money, focus your job. But when you focus your job, can you feel your body relax, your breathing nicely, gently, feel calmness, feel calm, feel cool, feel relax, feel good, feel enjoy your job, and feel joy and happiness with whatever you're doing. Can you feel together? This is, you get calmness together. Calmness together will help your concentration not lost in thought. Okay, not lost in thought. And then calmness, when you got calmness together, concentration will develop wisdom. Okay, without calmness, no wisdom, only thought, a lot of thought, and cannot stop thinking. Okay, that's why samadhi, calmness, to develop wisdom. Okay, you understand now? So now you practice with a monk. Look at me, listen to me, and feel yourself very easy. If you practice with your husband, look at your husband, look at your wife. Oh, a lot of thought. Okay, so that's why you need to practice with a monk. Okay, okay, or with the Buddha statue. When you look at Buddha statue, can you just see smiling face of the Buddha? Then you feel good. You can see, oh, very smile and shining Buddha. You feel good or not? So that's why you need good object to practice concentration. Okay, not concentration on your wife and husband, not good object. But anyhow, we practice first. Then after that, never mind. Concentration on your wife and husband, but you already got mindfulness, awareness, feel yourself more and more, and you get calmness, and you talk to your wife and husband in the calmness, not from emotion. Okay, so calmness is feeling. That's right. So we develop feeling more you get awareness more you get consciousness, okay? But feeling more you get awareness and calmness and consciousness, not enough. You need to develop mindfulness to know when you feel calm. Can you know what difference between disturbance and calmness? Can you see what difference? Can you know what difference? Okay, when you feel calm, oh, so happy. I know now how to get into calmness. Before I got stuck in thought. You get knowledge already. You get wisdom. Okay. So that's why you need mindfulness to learn what's happening when you get to calmness. More mindfulness, you see what different. Oh, you come to peace inside before you go out with a lot of disturbance, with thought and disturb and stress. Oh, the first knowledge is calmness is very simple. It's not very far. It's just in your heart with relax and smile. Okay. And more you know, oh, this is calmness. Then in the calmness, you need mindfulness. With mindfulness, you will know in the calmness, this body actually is not me. It's only 4 elements. This is, you get more knowledge, okay? In the calmness, you can realize this body into 4 elements, okay? Not calmness, no calmness, you never realize this body in 4 elements, impossible. You only, this is me, this is mine, okay? No calmness, it's only self, me, you, your, mine. In calmness, no me, no mine, because I can realize the reality. I cannot see where is me or where is mine, because it's only warm, cool, sweat, movement. In the calmness, you can realize the reality of your body and your mind. Okay, it's only calmness. It's only first you realize warm, cool is 5 element. Movement, hardness, softness. This is earth element. And then sweat, dry and sweat. This is water element. And breathing in, breathing out. This is element. Only in the calmness you can realize this body into 4 elements. Okay, and more calmness you can realize into your mind is consciousness. Mind is consciousness, but you must be cross over or getting into another plane inside. It got in between space. Okay, when you realize body into 4 elements, warm, cool, sweat, and then relax, more relax, then you can see clearly, because more relax you get space. Okay, more relax get space. Then in space, you know, your lung, your heart, your intestine, it not touch together because it got space in between. That's right. So that's why more you relax, you can see the functioning of body inside, because you get more space. Then it's more room. You can realize all the functioning of all the organs of the body occupy in space. 4 elements occupy in space. Then we come to space. We can see things functioning in space. 4 elements in space. Heartbeat in space. Pulsation in space. And your heartbeat in space. Your abdomen movement in space. And even your desire also, you can see it happening in space. So in space, then you can see more reality of body and mind. So that's why more you got space, you can see more inside it. Got clear mind. Very sad. Clear mind got anger, desire, but more space, more calmness, it become clear mind, conscious mind with knowledge, conscious mind with knowing clearly, with seeing clearly, conscious mind with no thought, conscious mind with no desire, conscious mind with no anger. So everything occupied in space. So that's why get into calmness or get into space first. Then you can see more. If you can see more and more, we call vipassana. Okay? We call insight meditation. Okay? So now, today we not go deep. Okay? We just learn the way going into your conscious mind. Okay, today we know already. We must start from heart because conscious mind is here. Okay, you start from your concentration. You got stuck. Okay, you need to develop awareness, mindfulness awareness together with concentration. Okay, by concentration on a monk first, not concentration on your wife and husband, on a monk. Then I tell you smile, relax. Your concentration on your wife husband. Your wife husband talk this way, you do this, you do another way. You got against. Okay. Okay, now just concentration on the Buddha statue, on a monk, and I tell you relax. I tell you let go. I tell you more relax, and then what the result? More relax, more space. Then you can realize, wow, the whole body is only warm, cool, temperature, very good. You got vipassana starting already. Okay. Now relax more the whole body, and now feeling. Today we learn to develop calmness, because calmness is feeling. Now 10-15 minutes feeling whatever yourself, your body movement, your action, your touching, feeling. Okay, and then when you go to shower tonight, okay, before you take a shower and lost in thought. How many thoughts you got in the shower room? But tonight, feeling warm. Before warm water, you just thinking about whatever outside. Today, until you sleep. You cannot sleep well because you sleep with thought. Can you feel the pillow? Can you feel your blanket? Can you feel your bed? Can you feel warm? Okay, feeling, you go into sleep with calmness. If you're not feeling, you sleep with thought. Okay, a lot of dream. Okay, so today we start the first lesson. Develop more feeling yourself. Okay, feeling yourself make you happy. Okay, now feeling your smile, you happy? Feeling your relaxation, are you happy? Feeling your bodily movement, body action, you got happiness, and more feeling more, and then it's free from thought. Okay, feeling. So we have 6 days. Just start today. I tell you, otherwise you stay here 6 days, a lot of thought. Okay, and then disturb everybody. Today, just start today from this evening feeling of whatever about yourself, your movement, your breathing, your touching, your shower, your washing. Now can you wash and feel? Can you feel? Wash your face now. Feel. Okay, and then can you feel your breathing? More you feel breathing really long and deep. Okay? Okay? Can you feel smile, feel relaxed? So calmness is a kind of feeling. Then you just develop more feeling. Relax is feeling, it's not thought. Then just feeling relaxed. Okay? Feeling relaxed, feeling movement, feeling touching, feeling eating, feeling drinking. If you start from right mindfulness on your body first. Your body got bodily movement. Can you feel? Bodily action. Can you feel? Your body got breathing. Can you feel? This is how to fulfill mindfulness of the whole body. Okay? And open eye first because concentration not difficult. I tell you. Okay? Because you got a job and then you Facebook, you concentration a lot. But today, when you feel more, when then you do any WhatsApp, you can feel relaxed, feel calm. Before you not feel yourself WhatsApp and in a hurry. Okay? Now you feel together. Oh, then enter, then let go. Okay? Feeling. Now feeling. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Open eye and now feel yourself. Feel your body. Feel your relaxation, the whole body. Feel your muscle sitting upright. Feel your smile. Feel your facial feeling. Feel your neck. Feel your shoulder. Relax. Feel the whole body. Relax. Can you feel? Feel more. You get awareness and see yourself. You got awareness and see from feeling. More feeling, you see yourself. Okay? We see ourselves by feeling. We see people outside, we see by eye. Your eyes see me, but if you feel yourself, you can if you feel yourself, feel your breathing, feel your movement, feel your body action, then you can get more awareness. See yourself, we see from awareness. Okay? Now, your eye with me. Can you feel swaying? Can you feel? Now, swaying. Your eye with me. Your eye see master. When you feel your bodily movement, bodily action, now swaying. Now I feel. When I feel myself, I can see what I'm doing. Can you see? It looks like more feeling. It looks like you see yourself. You are swaying with the body. Can you see? Not by eye, by feeling. Okay? Can you see your bodily movement by feeling? Okay? And now, feeling. Can you see? See what you are doing. Okay? How you doing? Can you see? You get feeling, you get calmness. More feeling, you get more awareness. More feeling, more awareness, and see yourself by awareness. Okay? So that's why before we close our eye, we just feeling relaxed. Even you not move. Can you feel the whole body got 4 element movement? Can you feel the 4 element movement? Can you feel? Earth element, muscle. Temperature, fire element, temperature. Can you see? We see by feeling. Air element, breathing. More seeing by feeling, more awareness. More awareness, more conscious mind. Wake up. Okay? And more conscious mind wake up. No thought. Can you feel? So, before you close your eye, feel yourself sitting in the right posture, relax, and more relax your body, your mind, more feeling relaxed body, you can see body relax. And now, can you just feel your smiling heart? Can you see now? You can smile now. Can you see smile in your heart? Can you see? This is really important. If you want to see all desire, attachment, see your smile first. If you cannot see your smile, you cannot see your anger, desire, or any defilement or any attachment. See your smile first. When you see your smile, when people speak bad to you, because you see you smile. Then when people speak bad to you, you got anger. Okay, angry immediately. But when you see you smile and people speak bad to you, it's not immediately angry. It's only slow motion angry. Come up. When you see you smile, then what's something different come to your mind? You can see, oh, the enemy come to your mind. Okay, slow motion. The enemy, anger, desire come slow motion, and then you see you smile. You can realize, because you see your smile, then you get more goodness, more wholesome feeling, more smile. Then more goodness, then all things unwholesome or bad feeling, it coming up, it gone. It coming up and gone. Okay. So the first lesson, can you see your mind? Mind got thought and feeling. So then, can you see your feeling first? See your smile feeling first. If you can see your smile, you can see something you not let go. You still attached to something. People speak bad to you yesterday, a week ago, you still disturb. Then you can realize, wow, this is the monkey mind. Okay, this is not good. When you can see your smile, then something not good, you can let go easily. Okay, can you see your smile? Something strange, or something enemy come. No, never mind. I got smile, enemy come, enemy gone, enemy come, enemy gone. Okay, can you see your smile? More you see your smile, enemy come, enemy gone, enemy come, enemy gone, then it become equality of mind. You smile until you let go anger, desire. Then from smiling, it become neutral mind. Neutral mind is the Buddha nature. Okay? Can you see your smile? Okay. You speak bad, but today I'm not angry. Can you help speak more rough or bad to me? I don't know why I'm not angry today. My anger gone away already. Can you help me make me angry, please? You see your mind? Anger come, anger gone. Anger come, anger gone. Okay? And when you see your smile, thought come, thought gone. Thought come, thought gone. Okay? Because you see your conscious mind, when it's mind, it becomes clear mind, clear conscious mind. When you got clear conscious mind, you see thought, you see thinking, you see anger, you see everything. We start from smiling. Okay? That's why the Buddha used the word gladness. Can you keep your mind gladness more and more? In the gladness, you can see anger come, anger gone. Gladness, desire come, desire gone. Not attached to anything, because you got gladness at the present moment, knowing your breathing, knowing relaxation, knowing yourself. When you got more knowing yourself with good quality, with smile, with gladness, no enemy can attack, can attack you. It come and gone, it come and gone. Okay? So that's why, how to see your smile? See your feeling of body first. See relaxation first. And see relax your breathing first. So that's why when you see your body sitting, relax and breathing, then you can see your smile. Smile from relaxation. Smile from breathing nicely, gently, and then smile from loving kindness. So when you develop more loving kindness, it got very good smile. Okay? So that's why we got loving kindness meditation. Only loving kindness and see loving kindness more and more loving kindness, more loving kindness, all desire gone away, all anger gone away, okay? All attachment gone away. So that's why sometimes you practice loving kindness meditation. Before we finish, 2 minutes loving kindness meditation and see what happening loving kindness meditation. All dirtiness gone, release and gone away. How to clear your mind, how to bring your conscious mind back. Okay, how? Loving kindness meditation. Okay, keep your mind loving kindness to everybody and all being and sing together. You miss a good chance. You do good, sing what happening when you do good. Now, what quality you got? When you do good, you got good heart. When you do more good, loving kindness, sing what quality your heart is. So we call sing mental quality, the good one. Okay? How to clear all dirtiness in your mind. Just develop wholesome mind, good mind, and see together. Sing all, see mental quality, good quality. So we have 4 foundations. First, mindfulness of body. Second, mindfulness of sensation. Third, mindfulness of thought. And fourth, mindfulness of all mental quality. How to develop mindfulness of all mental quality? Start from good quality. Not try, see my anger, see my desire, then you have trouble. The fourth foundation, mindfulness of mental quality. You need to start from good quality. Now, 1 minute before finish, smile, loving kindness, and see good quality. Is good quality or not? Then it release all disturbance, all anger, all desire, and develop more good quality of loving kindness more. What happening? When your heart is good, breathing very soft and gentle and deep. People don't know. They try to force their breathing in long, but not smile. Today you smile first, and see you smile. Loving kindness first, and see loving kindness. You're breathing long and deep. Okay? Okay, we only introduction today. So today I tell you from today feeling. Whatever you do, feeling. Then you got a good result tomorrow. Okay? Otherwise, you do things you not feel yourself, not feel your touching, not feel your step. Today, don't focus your step, but feel your step. We start mindfulness and awareness first. Okay? With mindfulness and awareness, then we develop concentration, the right one. If you develop concentration without mindfulness and awareness, without feeling yourself, concentration not good. Okay? So we develop mindfulness and awareness and right effort first. Then after you can find yourself tomorrow, next tomorrow, your concentration is good. Okay? Okay, now take a rest tonight. Thank you so much. Good night. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Any question, please?
Do we request the 8 precepts? Or?
Now 8 precept now.